Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the T9 and we will see what we have in the box and what we have in the software, and we will do some tests. As you can see, in the back we have some information, 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of RAM like usual. And let's begin immediately with unboxing, see what we got here. As you can see, immediately it shows the box itself wrapped up with protection and a very good style and theme going. You can see this graphite looks pretty good. I like this one pretty much. In the back we have some specifications here, some things to read if you're interested in that. In the front we have the scanner, we have two ports of USB in the right side. In the back we have Internet port, AV, HD and the power port. So this is the T9. We don't have anything else on it. It's very simple and very good. Underneath all that we will find here all the cables that are necessary to power this one. We have here the HDMI cable, as you can see, again wrapped up with plastic for protection. We have the power cable or the power brick. We will see that later. And we have the controller. You can see very simple, very good quality. It looks pretty good, and we have two colors, which is always a good one, so it's not boring. We have also the user manual. In this part we will see how to connect all the cables and do stuff like that. You can see here we have the box started up. We have videos, browser, file manager, music, settings, apps, Play Store or Google Store. We have clean memory, and at the bottom we have our favorite apps. Here at the settings we have network at the first option. You can see we have our network connected. It goes, as you can see, to networks. Even though the neighbors networks, you can connect, so it reaches very good, very far. We have Bluetooth here, sound. So here at the settings we will have plenty of options to customize. We have the display here, HDMI. Here you can customize the resolution, or as you can see we have the auto turned on. We have here colors. We have zoom, advanced settings. So here at zoom you can reach the highest point that for your TV or monitor, whatever you're using. You can do the highest point or the longest point. After that we have advanced settings. You can see it right here at the bottom. So as I said, we have plenty of options to customize, starting from the colors, brightness and all kinds of these stuff. So you have to go ahead for yourself, customize all the things that you want. Back at the menu we have here inputs. Again we have a few options to customize. We have apps here. You can see all the apps that we have installed in our Smartbox. You can see the percentage of storage that they are using. Also you can uninstall some of them if you want from here. Next we have the screensaver, which is a very good option. Sometimes it's very usable. We have here two options for it, color or the clock. We can put the device to sleep and we can press here start now if you want immediately to start your screensaver. You can see very colorful and very good looking. If you're not using your TV, you can just put the screensaver. We have the storage and reset. Here we can see all the storage that we have used and the storage that we are available to use. Also we can reset our Smartbox from here, which we will see in the next video how to do it and how many options we have to reset or restart our Smartbox. Next we have about, which we can read about our Smartbox. As you can see, starting from system updates, which we'll find here, device name, restart, status, legal information, model, version, and these are the things that are very important to know about your Smartbox. We will find it right here. After that, we have the performance part. Date and time, as you can see, is set to automatic date and time. You can set it manually or set it just like us in the automatic. We have the language here that we can change. Keyboard, we can change the keyboard that we are using or anything. We have search here if you need to search anything. We have Google account, speech, accessibility. Here we have a couple of settings as well. We have the caption. Here in the caption we can put it on and off. We have the language and font and colors, all kinds of things for captions. At the more settings, it opens up the settings in general. We have here a few things just like here, so it's not too necessary. At the bottom you can see we have location and security restriction, and we have Google account at the bottom that we logged in. Also, you can add as many accounts as you want. So this was the settings of the T9 Smartbox. Here at the bottom, as I mentioned before, are apps that we are watching the more. So you can do as many as you want, you can select as many as you want, or you can select the apps that you prefer or are the favorite. So as you can see, this is a very good method. Just you select the apps that are your favorite and you can enter them quickly, not just go ahead and search them in the menu. This is a very good way to open up your favorite apps. So here is our browser, Google Chrome. You can see we open up Facebook, Instagram and other stuff as well. You are able to use it without any problem, and it works pretty good and fast as well. We have here ADA64, one of the best apps that we use. In this app you will find all the data in specifics. As you can see, we have the system here, the data for system, installed ROM, total memory. We have the CPU here, core 1 clock, core 1 2, etc. We have the display data as well. Also we have network, battery, Android device, thermal sensor, apps, codes, etc. So if you want to read in specifics about your Smartbox, get this app, is very useful. Next we have the Antutu app, which we use always to test our box and see the specs and see the result at the end. You can see we have the result here for CPU, GPU, MAM and the UX. You can read all one by one for them. We're not going to take too much time from you, just to show you the result. We have the APK Pure, one of the apps that we use to download stuff. We use APK, Aptoid and Play Store as well. These three are the best to use it or to download stuff for free. Next we have Aptoid, as I said. Let's see what we have here. As you can see immediately, it shows all the apps and the games that are newer. You can download social media, for example, or games to play in your Smartbox, and it doesn't give you any trouble. It works pretty good. You can see we have one more app here, Aptoid TV. We have here plenty of channels. As you can see, we have Twitch as well, live streams. We have games, apps, entertainment, shopping, as you can see, all in this app. This is just to show you that apps works. It's not necessary to download this one. You can download apps that you prefer for yourself, but we downloaded these just to show you that they work. You can see you can install it from here. You have trusted app and install and starts to install it immediately, as you saw. So that let us know that it works. We have Play Store next. You can see when you open it says server error. I don't know why, it usually works, but in the T9 I guess without searching it doesn't show anything, or just it's having problem. You can see the YouTube is very easy to install and installing without any problem, which is a very non-common thing to see, but I guess we have to see what it does in the future, or if it works in the future. Back at the browser, as you can see, we have here fast.com, one of the pages that we use to measure our internet. And in this case, we know our internet megabytes per second, and also we know that the browser opens pages without any problem. LiveNet TV is one of the apps that we have, the Netflix app here. So if you have a Netflix account, you can go ahead and log in. It will work without any problem. Next, we have the YouTube, one of the best apps that we use all, I guess. And this is one of the apps that we had to try because it is very usable from you guys. And as you can see, it opens the video immediately, which is a very good thing to know. And we have here a 4K video, 60 FPS. Let's see how it goes. And as you can see, it opens up without any problem, which is a very good thing. So this was the test about apps and other things. We saw that the T9 opens up without any problem. We didn't have any problem at all. Let's insert an USB here, and we will try to use all of our data from USB. I guess I forgot to mention that you can download stuff from your USB or watch stuff. Let's go to the file manager here. Let's find it. At the system tools, we will find file manager, and you can see we have the USB right here, and we have some of the apps that we downloaded. You saw PUBG, Need for Speed, Asphalt, and other stuff. Also, we downloaded some videos in 4K just like in the YouTube, and you can see again it shows and opens without any problem. It's not lagging, and 4K 60 FPS is showing pretty good. So guys, this let us know that this box works, and this is it for today's. Thank you very much for your time and support. If you find this video interesting and helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart box.